Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to edit poll options in Instagram stories. So first head over into your Instagram, tap on it, and right here let's consider that we want to create a story. So for our community or our followers to see the upvoting of them. So let's just go into this picture. For example, let's consider that this is my picture, etc. So you will need to go into stickers right here and tap on them, and I want you to go into poll, tap on it. Alright, and here in the section you need to ask your question, or to type your question that you want to use in your poll. So let's just type from which country you are following me from, and here let's type for example Morocco and French, just for example. And also you can add another option like Spain, etc. You can add several countries or several options, and right here you will be finished. So once you are finished, you need to go through this icon on the bottom right corner, which is done, and tap on it, and then you can share it to your story. Tap on that one, share your story, and tap on share and the blue button, and then share stories, and you can send your story as a message to your followers or to the ones that you follow, and then tap on done, and you are done. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.